I'm really hoping 3 minutes is sufficient for you to all share my significant and unbridled love of all things choroid plexus carcinoma. So choroid plexus carcinomas are rare and aggressive childhood brain cancers that are derived from the choroid plexus epithelium. They predominantly afflict very young children and make up 20% of brain cancers that occur in the first year of life. Unfortunately, the survival rates, as shown in this Kaplan-Meier curve, are very poor for patients with choroid plexus carcinoma, with less than 50% of them being alive at 10 years. There's a lack of novel therapeutic strategies for these patients at relapse because preclinical models that recapitulate CPCs are truly lacking. Here we present the first case series of patients with choroid plexus carcinomas who have had comprehensive genomic profiling through the Zero Childhood Cancer platform. Given Ness and others have outlined the platform, I won't focus on that. When we examine the overall molecular landscape of the 6 choroid plexus carcinomas in the Zero cohort, there appeared to be 2 noticeable groups dependent on whether TP53 was altered or not. So on the left, we have an oncoplot that shows that the 4 patients with CPC that had TP53 alteration also had high RNA expression of mTOR, FGF2, HDAC1, and DNMT3A. Why are you all excited by this? These are all potentially targetable expression profiles. In the 2 cases with wild-type TP53, we saw low expression in these genes. This is further exemplified in the scatter plot, which shows 2 distinct profiles, the blue being the TP53 altered CPCs and the orange being the TP53 wild-type. The RNA expression profile identified in the TP53 mutant choroid plexus carcinoma really offers a potentially novel targeted therapeutic option for this patient cohort who really have no good therapeutic options at relapse. These include inhibitors of mTOR and FGF2 in the green, as well as HDAC and DNA methyltransferase in the red. So in conclusion, we have identified novel RNA expression profile in the TP53 mutant choroid plexus carcinomas in the Zero cohort, which really does lend itself to the development of novel targeted approaches for patients with this rare and aggressive disease. Thank you to the whole Zero team, but particularly Pam, who helped me put this together. And please come and find me to discuss your newfound love of choroid plexus carcinoma.